Okay, so this is a video to show you how you can quickly fix an issue that you might have run into where you get a date time issue if you are using ShowGo and outside of the United States. Okay, so either this is a clean install and you're installing ShowGo for the first time and you haven't gotten that error yet and you want to see how to install ShowGo outside of the US, or you have installed it and you got an error and you want to know how to fix it. Okay, so either way, when you run the setup.exe, and I just have it right here. It doesn't look, I have a shortcut, whatever, but it's really, it is the ShowGo, I think it's just called setup.exe. And when I double click on that, this install wizard shows up. And what you'll want to do is just leave it at the default, which is change settings. You can also reinstall and remove, but we're just going to change settings and hit next. And your settings are going to just look a little bit different. They're going to have your client code in here and your username, but I have everything else should be about the same. So what we're going to pay attention to is down here under Locale. And we have, the only things that are available to change are the dates and the currency. Do not change the currency. This is only if every single person, all users in your company are going to change it to the euro, the British pound, Deutschmark, whatever. But every single person needs to change. It's not going to convert the currencies that you enter on the fly. However, we do have a currency converter, but you have to do it per invoice. So let me reiterate, do not change the currency whatsoever unless everybody in the company is changing the currency, okay? You have to have the same currency. Okay, I think I made that clear enough. Do not change currency. What you will be able to change is the date locale. So right now it's set up for English. Oh, hold on one second. The magic of video. So right now it's set up for English United States. And what you'll want to do, let's say that you are in the UK and you just hit the drop down and you'll find English United Kingdom. So notice there's all these other ones here. Now, even if you were, by the way, to change it to say German, Austria, it doesn't actually change all the text. We're just doing the dates. So it doesn't have the full blown, like, different language. So luckily, United Kingdom, my example here is English anyway. The Queen's English. So we're doing we're changing that to the UK here, and then we're going to leave currency, as we said. And all you do next is hit next. And then it says, is that it? You hit yep, change. And then what it does, it pops up. If you have any custom reports that you've paid for, those are our actual custom development that we've had to, get under the hood and do some development. That's what shows up here. And then, so I won't get into that. I'll just go ahead and hit next, finish. And that's it. So you're done. Now you just reopen ShowGo and you shouldn't have any issues whatsoever. And it will, as long as it's matching what your regional settings are, you definitely should be good to go. Let us know if there's any issues beyond that. And thanks a lot, and welcome to our international folks, okay? Hopefully that we can schedule our times so, we can get up early and you can stay late or something, and we can meet on the computer and help out with some training or tech support. But it is difficult since we're not a 24/7 operation. But welcome. Okay, thanks. Bye-bye.